Hi, my name's Gary Ewell, a designer for American Standard. Today we're going to talk about making your bathroom green by replacing a toilet. There are a number of things that we need to consider. First is WaterSense. That's an EPA labeled rating, and that's a toilet that flushes on 1.28 gallons of water. Second, you need to consider the performance. There's a thing called MAP test, and you want a toilet as close as you can get to 1,000 grams of solid waste removal. You need to look for a large water spot that allows the bowl to stay cleaner longer. And then there's the type of toilet that you're looking for. Is it a one-piece or a two-piece, a tank and bowl? Is it a standard height or a right height? Is it a round front toilet or an elongated? These are all things that we need to consider when picking a toilet. Before we get started, here are the supplies and tools that you will need. A crescent wrench, a flathead screwdriver, a rag, possibly a bucket. For supplies, a wax ring, closet bolts, and a water supply line. First, shut off the water supply and completely flush the toilet. For the remaining water, we're going to take a sponge and possibly that bucket to remove all the leftover water from the tank and the bowl. Next, remove the supply line, remove the mounting hardware holding the toilet down, and remove the toilet bowl itself. At this point, you'll see the hole in the floor. Now take the rag you have, plug the rag into the hole to keep sewer gases from escaping. Now, remove the closet bolts from the flange and clean away any leftover or excess wax or putty that was remaining from the old toilet. Install closet bolts in the flange channel. With the toilet on its side, install the ring evenly around the waste flange, with the tapered end facing the toilet. Now, remove the rag from the hole, position the toilet on the floor waste opening, and install the toilet on the closet flange so that the bolts project through the mounting holes in the bottom of the bowl. Loosely install retainer washers and nuts, and with a rocking motion, press the bowl down fully on the wax ring and the flange. Now we need to tighten down the mounting nuts the rest of the way. We need to be careful that we don't over-tighten them because this may end up cracking the china. Now we're ready to hook up the supply line and to turn the water back on. The toilet comes adjusted from the factory, but if it needs any further adjustment, be sure to check the installation instructions that came packed with the product. Our green toilet installation is done. We've got a product that has tremendous performance, saves you water, saves you money, and is good for the environment.